2024 Cadillac CT4 Premium. It has a sophisticated and modern exterior design with clean, sharp lines and athletic stance, plus 18-inch wheels. Inside, it offers a luxurious and spacious cabin with seating for up to 5 passengers, plus 10-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This car has only traveled around 6,000 miles and the starting price is $53,500. 2023 Dodge Challenger SXT. It has a bold and muscular exterior design with wide stance that highlights its performance, plus 18-inch wheels. 3.6-liter 6-cylinder engine, rear-wheel drive, plus it's an automatic car. It has sporty yet comfortable with seatings for up to 5 passengers. This car has only traveled around 8,000 miles and the starting price is $47,500.